In this video, I will guide you how you can write on the picture in blank PowerPoint slide. So for example, you need to click on the insert and select the picture from this device, and I'm selecting this picture, and now make it resized to make it visible. And now you want to add any text over picture. So how you can do that? Go to the insert, and on the right side you will see that there is a text box. And now draw a text box, type anything, for example. Now you can move this text box over the picture. You can also format this text. Now right click and go to the format shape, and here you can see that there is a no fill. You can also select the fill, solid fill, and here you can select the color of your choice. You can change it to the yellow, and you can also select the gradient color. Select the first color from here and select the second color from here, and gradient color you can play with this style. You can set the directions, and you can set the type as well, rectangular, whatever your choice is for. So right now I'm selecting the solid fill so it can be visible easily. So you can also set the transparency to the lighter or darker as per your choice. If you want a solid border around the text, you need to select the solid line and select the color of your choice. For example, this one. And you can also increase the width of the line from here. You can also make it resize by dragging this white point and rotate from this fill handle. You can also select the compounds. There is a compound styles, and there is a, if you want some dashes, then you can select dashes. So if you want to change the font of the text, then select the text by double click and then control A, and then go to the home section, and here is the font size. Click on that this drop down arrow, and you can change this font and also change the font size and make it center. And now when you move this picture, the text is not moving along with. So how you can group that? So then you have to hold the control key and select the both text and image, and then right click, and here you will see that group. You need to click on the group, and now you can see move picture and text along with anywhere on the PPT slide, and you can resize it. It's up to you how you can do that, like this one. So I hope you understand how you can write on the picture and format it. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for